How to create employee attendance sheet with checkbox. You need not to enter P or A for present and absent. Just click on the checkbox attendance automatically counted. All the unchecked checkboxes counted as absence. In this video, I am going to tell you how you can make attendance sheet including checkboxes. Go to Developer tab and click on Insert and select Checkbox, then drag in column B3 to insert the checkbox. Adjust the alignment by using arrow keys from keyboard. Now right-click on the checkbox and select Edit Text from the options, then remove the default checkbox text. Now drag the column B3 vertically using mouse. Then select all the checkboxes and drag them horizontally to copy. Now open VBA Code window to write some code to link checkboxes at once. Paste the code given in description. You can copy from there. And then click on Run. Here you can see each checkbox is linked to itself and give true-false value. Now you can write the formula to calculate total presence with the help of these values. Just write the counter formula in column I3. Now to remove the text from behind the checkboxes, just select all the checkboxes and right-click, then select Format Cell, and then from Number tab click on Custom and type 3 semicolon to remove the text. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and follow our page.